Dell monitor HDMI connectivity problems are frequently reported across various monitor series, including UltraSharp, S-Series, and P-Series models. These issues typically manifest as a no-signal error when connecting devices via HDMI. The HDMI connection relies on a digital handshake process involving four critical steps: physical connection establishment, EDID data exchange for display capabilities, HDCP negotiation for content protection, and agreement on resolution and refresh rate parameters. Begin troubleshooting by verifying your HDMI cable. Ensure you are using a certified HDMI 2.0 or 2.1 cable. Check that connections are secure at both ends, and test different HDMI ports on both the monitor and source device. Next, perform a complete power cycle. Power down both the monitor and connected device, disconnect the power cables for 30 seconds, then reconnect and power on the monitor first, followed by the source device. Finally, manually cycle through all input sources using the monitor's buttons to ensure the correct input source is selected. Also check for auto-detect settings in the monitor's on-screen display menu. These three initial troubleshooting steps resolve the majority of common HDMI detection issues with Dell monitors. If problems persist, advanced troubleshooting methods may be required. When basic troubleshooting steps fail to resolve HDMI detection issues, advanced software and driver solutions become necessary. This section covers systematic approaches to driver updates and configuration adjustments. The first advanced step involves updating graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupted drivers are responsible for approximately 67% of HDMI detection failures. For NVIDIA graphics cards, download the latest drivers directly from the manufacturer's website. The GeForce Experience application provides automatic driver updates and optimization settings. AMD users should utilize the Radeon Software Installer, which provides comprehensive driver management and display configuration options. Intel integrated graphics require updates through the Intel Graphics Command Center. For problematic installations, Display Driver Uninstaller, or DDU, provides complete driver removal. This tool eliminates registry entries and cached files that standard uninstallers often leave behind. Windows display settings provide manual detection and configuration options. Access these through Settings, System, then Display to force monitor recognition. Multiple detection attempts may be necessary, as the HDMI handshake process can fail intermittently. Adjusting resolution and refresh rate manually often resolves compatibility issues between the graphics card and monitor. Advanced users may require BIOS or UEFI configuration changes. Graphics settings in the system firmware can affect HDMI detection, particularly with integrated and dedicated graphics combinations. Registry modifications represent the most advanced troubleshooting option. Clearing display cache entries and resetting HDMI detection protocols requires careful execution and should only be attempted by experienced users. USB-C to HDMI adapters present unique compatibility challenges, especially with high-resolution displays. 4K and 8K resolutions require HDMI 2.1 support for proper bandwidth allocation. DisplayPort connections offer superior reliability compared to HDMI for computer monitor applications. When available, DisplayPort should be the preferred connection method due to its robust digital signal transmission and better compatibility with high refresh rates. These advanced troubleshooting methods resolve the majority of persistent HDMI detection issues. Success rates exceed 85% when driver updates are combined with proper configuration adjustments. Professional technical support should be consulted for hardware-related failures that persist after these software solutions.